Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya from the Jaji Jewels, and in this video we will learn how to make these beautiful jhumkas. So let's get started. So first of all we will make this stud because the glue will take time to dry, and for the same I have taken this decorative sheet, a small piece of decorative sheet, and on that we will attach this kundan. The kundan has no holes. I have taken this Fevibond glue because it's rather than Fevicol, because this helps to stick faster and it's very effective than Fevicol. Then we will take this small golden beads chain as per this kundan bead size, and we will stick it around. So just wrap it, make a hole, and simply put on the around the kundan beads. Now to make the flower leaves, I have taken some tilak beads, and we will stick them. Approx we need 10 tilaks, 10 golden tilaks of small size, and to make the flower. Okay, so I have attached this uh, golden tilaks to make the flower, and see we have beautifully made of flower. So now we will keep this aside to so that glue will dry, and we will make this jhumka base. For the same I have taken red thread to decorate the jhumka. You can take it accordingly your choice. Now I have taken this long plastic rectangle to so that I will we can wrap these beads around. So we will wrap these beads like this, and we'll make a long strand, a very big strand. So you can see the thickness. This is enough for our jhumka. So we will cut this down from one end. And you can see that we have this long strand. Now we will take this small size jhumka base to wrap the same around it, and in order to wrap it easily, what I will do, I will stick one end of this strand with glue and make it long. Now we will add some Fevibond glue uh, behind this. This glue is very flexible and it comes out very easily and in a big manner, in a big quantity. So you have to be very careful while handling this glue. So we will take another end which is not stick by us, and I will just simply stick it over here, and we'll start wrapping this jhumka mold. Okay, so I have almost done the wrapping, and we take this another end behind inside this glue, inside this jhumka mold. We'll cut the extra part first. Now we will attach this golden beads chain to jhumka mold. For this I have taken this long golden beads chain and small golden beads chain like this. So let's attach the both. The other side is Fevibond is uncontrollable. It comes in a very heavy manner from the bottle, so you have to be very careful. So now we have applied this, added this golden beads chain, and now we will add the smaller one. Simply take this beads from above, cut the extra part. So our jhumka is done. Now we will take our stud base flower. We'll see if it's ready. This glue has dried. Yes, so the glue has dried, and now I will cut this extra part of this paper sheet, and I will do this in fast forward way. Okay, so as you can see, I have beautifully crafted this flower, and will attach this stud to this flower, and to attach it very properly, I am taking this another sheet to mark it as a base from outside. So I'll just simply insert this stud in this, and also this for this one, I know I'll require only this much amount of wire, but I'm not just simply sticking it straight, because there might be chances of falling this if we simply keep this as this like straight. So I'll just wrap this around a little bit, and then I will cut this extra part, so it will stick very properly, and it will also it can also easily take the weight of this jhumka. Otherwise there might be chances of falling this one down, and our whole game of Jhumka is based on this hook. So now, so for the same, you also do the same, that you have to make a round shape like this. Again we will apply this glue, and this glue is very horrible. So opposite of this triangle, we will stick our stud, and in that manner you have to place this decorative sheet on your stud. So now it is done. We are done with this, and we will attach our jhumka base to the same, so that our earring gets ready. And for the same, I have taken this wire, and take two beads, or one bead if you have bigger one. Insert them in the wire and just wrap them around. You can take a bigger one also if you have, and just simply put this wire from downside. And to make this more beautiful, I am adding a jhumka cap for the same, and I will not simply put this down, but rather I will just pinch it for a while, so that it will be placed very properly. And also I'm going to add one golden jhumka, golden bead to that. And now we will insert this wire in our jhumka base. You have to be very careful while doing this. Just wrap the wire once or twice and cut the extra part, and tada! Our jhumka is ready. See how beautiful it is looking. It's done. Thank you so much for watching my video.